Look at these bad boys. What kind of pumpkin is that? I don't know if that's the same pumpkin as that. Poopy, did you get in trouble? What are these? These are weird. Like, what kind of stem is that? They're kind of ugly. I didn't even see this one. Kind of looks like a watermelon. Look how orange that is already. Oops, I snapped it. How big this one is. I don't even know how to show you a size comparison here. That's a big one. Look at this one. Oh my lord. That's a good one. There's even one over there. I don't know if you can see it. They're leaving without me. Alright. Keep going. Excuse me. There's one. Just kidding. Look at this color. That's a cool one. I don't know if you can really see the color. Another one. Oh, there's a bug. Are you mad? Oh, you're mad? You gotta put it on an electric fence because somebody wouldn't stay in his pen. Not naming names. See? Hi, Davy. Hi. You're so silly. I think they just want food. Ah! Look at this storm. That's cool, actually. Oh my lord. Oh my lord. You're getting tired. We'll go fast. Oh, you hear that thunder? Look at the clouds.